They'll be there. Okay, when we finish here, go up that way a little bit more.
Yeah.
They got any guns? These have guns? I'm gonna ask them.
G'day, how are you?
You heard any shooting going on around here? Any shooting?
Someone's been shooting all the kangaroos around here and wombats. Nah. Oh no, they've all been shot.
Well, the place is on its way anyway, because we work with the rangers.
Yeah, because we got the sign here. Yeah.
Yeah, so
This cowboys,
Yes.
I reckon. Cowboys from the city, eh? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. We found a mother and a baby. The baby's only that big, dead, next to each other. You know? That's it.
Well,
Yeah.
are you camping here tonight? No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
With our spotlights.
that's all right. We'll be up here tonight. We'll wait for them.
Yeah. Watch the rangers coming here too. You got no regos on them? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
be careful because we won't report you.
Yeah.
But
Because they do hang around all the time.
yeah,
Because summertime, they're checking if any bonfires going, you know.
and they tell us to get the number plates and that, but sometimes we don't dob people in.
No, that's it. Yeah, like campers, you know, for their brekkie or lunch, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, like we went up there to have a picnic up there before, you know.
I lit a fire, so
Uh,
even though we work with the rangers, but I don't care.
Something that's going to help them out, you know. Anything dead around here, we let them know. Because a couple of years ago, they put cameras around, try to get number plates off their vehicles. But it didn't work.
We'll come back tonight.
Yeah, we come back tonight and find out. Yeah.
A couple of months ago, they shot at us. Yeah, up at the hill up here. Yeah, they started shooting at us because they knew we're there for, protect the wildlife.
Because we chased them, kind of thing. Because our old four-wheel drive didn't have four-wheel drive. You know, the transfer case was on the way. And so they went up the big hill, and I said, we can't get up there. So we lost them that way.
But they ended up shooting us from there.
Okay then, you have a good day. Yep, catches. Car in there.
I doubt it very much it was them.
Yeah.
That's what he said, they're scums.
Yeah. They came down here to ride their trail bikes.
Yeah. That's what I said. They're supposed to get the number plates and that was people, was it? I said, but we don't let dump people in.
Yeah.
Hurry up and they didn't take off.
Yeah.
Because I said the coppers should
Yeah.
be here soon. This is a child boat.
Yeah.
That one on top of the hill. Oh, did I already say that
Yeah,
one?
you think you said that one.
There's another one there. That one, I mustn't have seen that one up the top there. did we see them?
Yeah, we've seen them.
Them ones in that one?
Yeah.
If that one gets too hot, there's another really cold one in there.
Yeah. That one there is next to you.
Yeah, that one's the bottom, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already seen those ones.
It. Oh, we got that. No.
Yeah.
How you doing?
No.
Ah. Oh, we're going to check you turn there.
I just want to check this spot.
This part here you want to check?
Come on. No, only here. But maybe they know we should and you too.
Yeah.
There was one back there, did we see that one? There's a rotten one, and just a little bit past it, there's another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Look from the back like that. Well, that's a log next to it.
Well, yeah. Yeah, well, there's another one.
Yeah.
Come up there, what, about 7 o'clock?
Yeah.
I just bring a pink coffee with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like I said, they might be coming down at fucking 2 o'clock in the morning or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know how to tell the time what time they should got shot.
Yeah.